Let's dive into a component that is often overlooked but is absolutely vital for heavy-duty engines, the original fuel injection pump compatible with the Cummins 6BT5.9 engine, model 3,960,919. For anyone working with excavators, trucks, or industrial machinery, this part is critical for maintaining efficiency, performance, and reliability. If you're ready to purchase, the link is in the description. A fuel injection pump might seem like a simple engine part, but its function is incredibly important. It controls the precise delivery of diesel fuel into the combustion chamber at exactly the right moment and pressure. In engines like the Cummins 6BT5.9, which are known for being durable and dependable, using a high-quality, original replacement pump ensures optimal performance. Any deviation in fuel delivery can lead to poor combustion, decreased engine efficiency, and potential damage to other engine components. One of the main reasons the 6BT5.9 engine is so widely used is its reliability. It powers everything from excavators to commercial trucks and agricultural machinery. Its long-lasting performance is well documented, but its longevity depends on using proper parts, including the fuel injection pump. This pump is designed specifically for this engine, meaning it meets OEM standards for precision and durability. Unlike generic replacements, it delivers consistent fuel flow, optimal pressure, and accurate timing for maximum engine performance. Downtime is one of the biggest challenges in construction, agriculture, or industrial operations. A malfunctioning fuel pump can halt productivity and cost thousands in lost work hours. Choosing an original, compatible pump drastically reduces this risk. The 3,960,919 fuel injection pump is built to withstand harsh operating conditions, including high temperatures, heavy workloads, and dusty environments. It is engineered to provide reliability even under extreme circumstances, ensuring your machinery keeps running efficiently. Performance is another critical aspect. The injection pump is responsible for how efficiently the engine converts fuel into power. Too much fuel leads to black smoke, carbon buildup, and wasted fuel. Too little, and the engine struggles with power output and may stall under load. With an original pump, the engine operates with precision, achieving the ideal balance between power, efficiency, and emissions. This ensures smoother operation, better fuel economy, and longer engine life. Durability is where original pumps outperform aftermarket alternatives. Generic pumps often fail after short-term use, causing engine downtime and increased maintenance costs. An OEM-compatible pump is built with high-quality components and tight manufacturing tolerances, which guarantees long-term durability. This makes it a reliable investment for anyone managing heavy machinery that sees continuous daily use. Installation is simple and hassle-free. Because it is designed specifically for the 6BT5.9 engine, it fits directly without requiring modifications or complex adjustments. Proper installation and calibration ensure that the engine responds immediately with optimized performance. Unlike non-original pumps, which may require constant tuning or adjustments, this pump works as intended from the moment it's installed. Efficiency is another major benefit. Diesel engines face stringent fuel efficiency and emission requirements. A properly functioning fuel injection pump ensures complete combustion, which not only saves fuel but also reduces harmful emissions. This is particularly important for businesses that operate machinery in regulated environments or aim to minimize operating costs. Peace of mind is invaluable. Using an original, OEM-compatible fuel injection pump means that the engine performs reliably without constant monitoring or concern for premature failure. This is crucial for operators, fleet managers, and mechanics who depend on consistent performance to complete projects on time. Real-world feedback supports the advantages of using an original pump. Operators consistently report smoother starts, faster throttle response, improved engine